We're going to play a little game called My First Time.
Oh, sounds very saucy and invasive.
The first movie you ever saw was?
The big one that sticks out in my head is I remember going to see Grease in the theater, and I thought, well, that's it. I need heels and tight pants. that was my takeaway. Not like the music, the relationships. I was like, I have to get me some tight pants and heels.
Me too. I was like, to get a man, I'm going to have to change myself.
And that's why we're here today. That's what we want to teach young women.
Yeah. The first R-rated movie you ever saw?
I snuck downstairs while my parents were watching Carrie. We had doors that opened up, so I hid behind a door, and I was just watching Carrie through the crack in the door, and I got real freaked out. I was too scared to go back upstairs, so I just stayed there watching it, and I watched the whole movie, and I just was quietly sobbing as my parents were like watching a movie.
The first movie that you related to and had a real effect on you?
There's something about Planes, Trains, and Automobiles that I just remember feeling crazy because I was laughing so hard, and then the next second I was crying, and then I was laughing again. I was like, I feel crazy.
Those aren't pillows.
That whole movie's perfect. It's perfect.
When was the first time you realized you were funny?
My family's funny. We sat around the kitchen table every night and had dinner together, and it was always kind of like who, and we were just telling stories from the day, but like I remember feeling kind of like proud if I told a story from my day and like everybody laughed.
What was it like the first time the director called action on The Boss?
Kind of crazy because I was producing it as well, and you know we kind of got sucked into the vortex of getting it started and getting it going. I always have a weird word or phrase that gets me into like the character's voice, and I didn't have it. And I thought, I remember looking at Ben and going, I don't know what she sounds like. Then we did one take where I finally felt like I dropped into it. I was like, okay, it's gonna be okay.
Do you have a word now that you use, or did your character just come to you?
On certain days, Ben would make me do her laugh when she goes like, ha! Which later Kristen Bell was always like, you sound like Alf.
What was the first time that you remember thinking, oh, I'm successful?
Every time I rap anything, there's probably 70% of me that's like, well, it was a good run, I'll never work again. I mean, just to my core, I always am like, well, I'll go back to Illinois and probably, I don't know, plant corn or something. I just always think like, that's it. I mean, the fact that we were like, we should write stuff and make movies.
Yeah.
I mean, at some point somebody should be like, you're nuts.
But look where we are.
I know.
It's amazing. Thank you so much, Melissa, for sharing your first time with me.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
I'll never forget it.